got this beautiful Vizio 65-inch TV checked in today, and when it turns on, the screen will black out by itself. So we're gonna have to check and find out what caused it. Okay, so testing all these backlights, the backlight tester, you notice that some of these LEDs right here aren't working properly, like this and here. So then you go ahead and just bridge it, closing the circuit. So after this repair, the 65-inch Vizio TV is all set and ready to go. Bright and vibrant all around. Let me get the remote, show you better.